Hey everyone, if you're encountering the error message that says Windows can't activate Windows on this device because we cannot connect to your organization's activation server, keep watching and I'll show you how to fix it. We need to run two commands using the command prompt. So let's click on the search bar and type CMD. Right click on the command prompt and select Run as an administrator. In the command prompt, we need to execute the following two commands. I left them in the descriptions box below. Let's start by typing or copying and pasting the first command. And press enter. Once it's done, copy the second command and paste it again and hit enter. Once complete, you should see a confirmation message. Click OK and let's close the command prompt window. And now let's check if the problem has been resolved. So go to settings, then navigate to update and security, and click on activation. And you should no longer see the error message. Let me know in the comments below if this has fixed your issue. And as always, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.